Hi, this is Doc Mountain and I'm going to teach you how you can play 2 games on Nikki Live. So for you to be able to access the games, you have to join any party. So let's pick on a party that we're going to join. Okay, let me do the selection here. Okay, beautiful. So we are in. So now these are the people who are partying. And I want to show you how you can play a lucky wheel. So the game is loading. Game is loading. As people are busy gambling, they are busy sharing gifts. I'm gonna keep you busy with the games. So here we go. It's taking way too long to load. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Reconnect. Beautiful, we are in. So now what it is you have to select, you have to highlight some of the patches here. There's that one, there's that patch with 6.8. So those, okay, could be highlighted. If you highlight everything, the chances are that you'll be winning, but you'll be losing coins. You win, but you win less coins than those that you bet on it. So now I've just highlighted some of them and left out some patches. Okay, some sections are left out without being highlighted. So after you've done that, you can increase on the number of coins by clicking the plus button, which is at the bottom there. Okay, so we have increased the number of coins to 160. We can now hit bet. When we do that, that pointer will begin to spin. Come on, beautiful. Okay, there we go, and it lands there. So we had actually placed 160 coins, and we've walked away with 178. That's 18 plus, right? Now imagine if we had placed more coins there, we could have actually multiplied them. So let's move on to another game.